harder than it looks. I'm so excited. Why did I just do that?
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so glad to be here, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to click on my thumbnail. This is gonna be a crazy ride because I am just outrageous. But I have a ton of plans for you guys. I have vlogs, I have hauls, beauty product reviews, tutorials, you name it. So I'm gonna be doing everything. So not just makeup. I want to make sure that's clear. Not just makeup. I also do hair. So that's one thing that I want to share with you guys is my hair journey since my big chop about 4 years ago. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos about that, and also maybe a little bit of vlogging with my kids because my kids want to get involved. So anyways, if you guys would like to see more about what I've been doing to my hair, my curly journey, my journey since my big chop, make sure you stay tuned, and you have to subscribe or you're not going to know what's going on. So definitely subscribe, share this video with your social media, and then also like, because again, I want to make sure that you guys, enjoy my page. And also let me know down below if there's anything that you guys want to see. If you guys want to see me do any eyeshadow looks or tutorials on eyebrows or like lip filler, like whatever you guys want to see, just let me know. Also hair products, again, I'm going to start branching out and trying different brands. And so anyways, I'm not gonna sit here and talk to you guys like all night long, but I just wanted to show my face, let you guys know I'm on YouTube now, and I'm gonna be doing videos at least 2 days out of the week. So without further ado, if you are not already, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, on Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. Anyways, I don't know what I was saying, but share this video and like this video. And if you're my friend and you know me, again, I know a lot of people everywhere, definitely like this video and make sure that you comment down below.